In Module 5, there's going to be a little bit of a section where you actually will test and report on your search strategy. And specifically, I want you to focus on your Boolean logic evaluation. Those will be the things that use AND, OR, or not. And they would be in capital letters, or you can use the drop-down box inside of Proquest. You're going to use Proquest to do this evaluation. You're going to go to Proquest, do this search, report the results. You could just do it to the nearest hundreds, thousands there. That's okay. Talk about your results. Tell me about the results. In this case, I found that the word library also applied to other things outside librarian professions. I'm like, that's not really a good search. 52,000 is too many, and they weren't really good. So I knew I would need to add profession or employment. And while I was there, I found this, Internet of Things. So essentially, this will be 2 or 3 sentences. You'll say how many results. Results, did you think they were good? Bad? Did you think you should add something or take something away? And while you were there, did you find a new search word or keyword or idea? So that's what you'll do, kind of like a 1, 2, 3 piece. Here I found 9,400 results. That's a little bit better. If I had limited it by year or the past year, it might have been very, very strong. I found out the word librarian was far better than library because it eliminated some of those technology type things that I didn't need. And while I was there, it was improved and I could actually look at 9,400 results a little bit. I found employment and transitions, which I thought could really, really strengthen my research as well. And again, you'll say the results, kind of tell me what you found. Do you think it was effective or not effective and why? And if you're there, do you see any other keywords or ideas that might be useful for your search? So how does this look? So you'll go to the library page. You'll go to database A to Z, and you're going to go over here to Proquest. You could also go up here, P for Proquest. And you'll be using the advanced search. I want you to put in the whole big thing. You could use this if you want, but you can do it either way, but this will kind of really let you know if you understand typing in capital AND, capital OR, capital NOT. But you always have this as well. I want you to select for full text and peer reviewed and go to the search. For this, we have automation and library, and this was the result that was really ridiculous. 52,000, and it is full text and peer reviewed. And as I started looking through them, I saw that it had to do with support centers, machine learning, automation of radiation treatment and planning for rectal cancer, the changing nature of work, maybe have something to do with it, but this has to do with smart home. So in terms of research, this wasn't the best one. So on my last one, what I actually did, and I found another word, automation, librarian, and future. And with this search result, I come down to 3,000, and I see things like contactless service, capacity building, professional development, all sorts of other words and ideas, and a richer group of search results. I just want you to try all 3 of your Boolean search, and it's okay for you to say, it didn't really work. Kind of like I did. I think I should have done this, and explain that. And while I was there, I found continuing professional development. Professional development would also be a part of my work here. So awesome. I hope this makes sense, and I hope you enjoy the experience, because it kind of shows you how you really do have control over this strategy. And the more you search, the more you know. I hope you enjoy it. If you have questions, be sure to ask.